These are the top 7 most unique bird sounds in the world. If you think you've heard it all, just wait until number 7. Number 1, laughing seagull. Number 2, willow ptarmigan. Number 3, Temminck's tragopan. Number 4, kookaburra. Number 5, American woodcock. Number 6, screaming piha. Before I show you the 7th and most unique bird sound, prove your phone can do this. Tap the like button, hit subscribe, then click share. And when you tap copy link, something amazing happens. Number 7, bare-throated bellbird.